At Downer, ensuring safety and well-being is not just about how we do business around here, it's who we are. We're the mates who look after our mates. We're the ones who take a good look at every situation and when it matters, say, that doesn't look right. We're the ones who step forward, own our safety and well-being, and make a call to stand in the gap. We stand in the gap when we speak up if we see unsafe or risky behaviour, if we don't feel safe, or if we're not trained or skilled in the task we're asked to do. And we stand in the gap when we see a mate who needs help, when we see someone struggling, feeling overwhelmed, looking stressed or upset. When we step in and say, "You okay, mate?" Just checking in and showing you've noticed can make a world of difference to someone else's situation. Because standing in the gap is as much about having each other's back off-site as it is on-site. It's about looking out for one another, embracing difference, and giving people the respect we all deserve. You might need to do it today, or next week, or next month. At some point, a situation will arise that asks for you to speak up. And when that happens, remember, you're empowered to do this. This card gives you the authority to question any situation that you think isn't safe or respectful to our people. So when something doesn't sit well with you, make some noise until it does. Don't let it slide. Catch it. Stand in the gap.